Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we'll solve the practice paper of class 8th. So this is the first main. So for question 1 consists of multiple choice questions and each question carries 1 mark. So this is the first question here. The smallest natural number by which 108 must be divided so that quotient is a perfect square. So to solve this question, first we have to find the factors of 108. So let us do the LCM here of 108. In which table will it go? 2, right? 254s are, you'll get 108. Then 227s are here. 3, how much I will get? 27. 3 9s are 27. And 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. See here. We got a pair. 2 and 2 is one pair. 3 and 3 is one pair. What is left? 3 is left behind, right? So 3 is the smallest natural number which we will divide with 108 divided by 3. So our answer here is 3. 3 is our answer. See, 2, even this is a pair and this is a pair. We'll multiply 2 into 3, we'll get 6, right? So the answer, the smallest natural number is 3 here. Now let us solve the next question. The digit in the unit place of the cube of number 333 is, see, the digit in the unit place. What is the digit in the unit place? 3, right? Place of the cube of the number. Cube means you have to multiply thrice, right? So this is 333 and the unit number is 3 here. So we will multiply 3 thrice. So 3 into 3 into 3 gives you 27 as our answer. Now they are telling the digit in the unit place. What is the digit in the unit place after multiplying? The unit place is this, right? So the answer is 7 is our answer. So we will take option B, that is 7. Now let us solve the third question. The solution of the equation x minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5x minus 4 by 12 is. So to solve this equation we need a working note. So see here. So we'll copy the same question here in the question here. So the question here is x minus 2 by 3 and 5x minus 4 by 12, right? We'll copy the same question in the working note. Now we will solve the brackets first. It is x minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5 into x. 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 4 is 5 4s are 20 and the sign will be minus itself. Now the next step is we'll do the cross multiplication. X minus 2 into 12, right? But first, can we solve this? We can shortcut this, no? 3 1s are 3 and 3 how much are 12? We can cancel this. 3 4s are 12. So we have cancelled here itself. Now we will do the cross multiplication. X into 4 is, you will get the answer as 4x. 4x minus 2 into 4 gives you 8. 2 4s are 8 is equals to 5x minus 20 as it is. Now what is the next step? We will shift all the variables in one place and only numbers in one place. So this is a variable, let it be in that place itself, 4x. We will shift 5x here. So plus, this is plus 5x. If we shift, it will become minus 5x is equals to minus 8, right? This is 20. Minus 20 will shift here and this will become minus 20 only. And if we shift minus 8 here, it will become plus 8. Now 4x minus 5x gives you 1x. So x is equals to, plus into minus is minus. So 20 minus 8 will give you 12 as our answer. But the greater number is 20 and the greater number sign is minus. We'll put here minus. And here, which is the greater number? 5, right? And the sign of 5 is minus. So we will cancel this minus and this minus. So our answer x is equals to 12 is our final answer. So do we have 12 anywhere in the option? Yes, we do have. So we'll take 12 as our answer. Now let us solve the next question. The sales price of a printer is rupees how much? 13,000. The sales tax charged on it is at the rate of 12%. The amount Vinod will have to pay if he buys it is, we have to find out the amount. How much will Vinod put the price to buy a printer? So here The sales price of a printer is how much? Rupees 13,000, right? The price of the printer is 13,000. Okay. Now, the sales tax, the tax charge on it is at the rate of 12%. 12%. So, 12 by 100. Now we'll cancel this two zeros and this two zeros. What is left? 130 into 12. So 130 into 12, you'll get the answer as rupees 1560, right? See, the price of the printer is 13,000 and the sales tax is 12%, right? So after we add, so what should we do? We should add the tax with the price. So the price of the sales price is 13,000, right? 13,000 plus what is the tax here? 1560. If we add 1560, we'll get the total answer as rupees 14,560, right? If we add the sales price and the sales tax here. So this is our answer. Do we have the answer in the option? Yes, we do have. So this is our final answer. Now the next sum here is the sum of mn plus 5 minus 2 and mn plus 3 is, see, after solving this, what answer we will get. So first we'll copy the question here. Mn plus 5 minus 2 and mn plus 3, right? We'll write the same here. So what is the thing here? Mn plus 5 minus 2 and mn plus 3, right? And mn plus 3. So here mn plus into minus is minus. 5 minus 2 gives you, what is the answer? 5 minus 2 gives you 3, right? Mn plus 3 and means plus only, and mn plus 3. Mn plus 3. So if you add this, what will you get? The total answer. Mn plus mn gives you 2mn plus 3 gives you 6. So do we have this answer in the option here? 2mn plus 3, 2mn plus 8, 6, 2mn plus 6. Yeah, we do have. So we'll take the option D here. Now let us come to the next question. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 2 meter 80 centimeter long. At the same time, the length of the shadow caused by another pole 7 meter 50 centimeter high is, so we see we have given two vertical poles here. See, one pole size is 5 meter and 60 centimeter and the other pole is 2 meter and 80 centimeter. So the shadow of the first pole is how much? Sorry. The first pole is 5 meter 60 centimeter and the second pole height is 7 meter 50 centimeter. The shadow of the first pole is given here. Now we have to find out the shadow of this second pole. So to find out, we will first understand the question. See, the height. What is the height of the first pole given in the question? The height of the first pole is given here is 5 meter 60 centimeter, right? And the shadow? And the shadow according to the question is 2 meter 80 centimeter. And the second height of the pole is how much? 7 meter 50 centimeter, right? 7 meter 50 centimeter. And you have to find the shadow. You don't know the shadow, you'll assume it as x here. So see, this is meter and this is centimeter. So here 5 meter 60 centimeter by 2 meter 80 centimeter here is equals to 7 meter 50 centimeter by x. Now we will convert this meters into centimeters. See, 5 meter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, right? So 5 into 100 gives you 500. 500 plus 60 gives you 560 centimeter is our answer here. Here 2 meter is equals to 200. 200 plus 80 gives you 280 centimeters is equals to 7 and 50 will give you 750 centimeter by x. Now next step is we'll do cross multiplication here, right? But first let us solve it here only. We will minimize it little. We can cancel this 0 and this 0, right? So what is left here? 56 by 28, 750 by x, right? Can we short this more? Can we cancel 28 ones are 28 and 28 twos are 56? So you'll get 2 centimeter here. So 2 is equals here 2 is equals to 750 centimeter 2 centimeter by 1 and x. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. 2 into x gives you 2x is equal to 750 into 1 gives you 750. We'll bring this x down, 750 here, and we'll shift this 2 in the denominator. 2 ones are 2 and 2 375 gives you 750. So our answer here is 3 meter and 75 centimeter. So do we have that answer in the option here? Yes, 3 meter and 75 centimeter is our answer. Now let us do the next sum. Factorized form of y square plus 19y minus 150 is, we have to find the answer. So we have to factorize this, right? Y square plus 19y minus 50. So first we will find the factors of 150 here. 150. 3, how much is 150? 3. 50 gives you 150. Now 2, how much is 50? 2. 25 gives you 250. 5, how much is 25? 5 5 is 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 3 and 2, 5 and 5. This is the pair. So we will solve it here. No, y square we write as it is. Y square and plus. What is this? 5 and 5. 5 5 gives you 25. 25 minus 3 into 2. 3 2s gives you 6. 6y minus 150. See, y square plus 25 minus 6y minus 6y minus 150. We have solved here. We will not copy the same 19y here. We will copy the factors of 150 here. So how will we solve this? Okay, now y square plus 25 and minus 6y minus 150. We have to find which is common in this 2 and this 2. Which is common in this? Y is common. We'll take out y out. And if we take out 1y from y to y square, we'll get 1y left plus 25 as it is. Here which is common? 6 is common, isn't it? So we'll copy here minus 6. If we remove 6 from y, you'll get y itself. Minus 6, how much are 150? 6, 25 is 150, right? Simple, we got the answer here. Y, the final answer is y plus 25 and this y and this 6. So y minus 6. So this is our final answer. Do we have the answer in the options? Y plus 25, y minus 6. So option D is our final answer. Now let us come to the next question. The following line graph shows the sale of dolls by Suhas from Monday to Saturday on a particular week. If the cost of one doll is rupees 35, then the amount received by Suhas from the sale of dolls on Saturday is. So the following line graph. So this is the line graph, okay, and this is telling the sale of dolls and the days of the week. How much did Suhas see? The following line graph shows the sale of dolls by Suhas from Monday to Saturday on a particular week. If the cost of one doll is 35, we have to find out how much did Suhas receive on Saturday. See, what is the sale of doll on Saturday? This is Saturday. What is the sale of dolls? 40, right? 40 is the 40 dolls were sold on Saturday, and it's asking us to find the how much price did Suhas receive on Saturday. He has sold 40 dolls and the price of one doll is how much? 35. So 40 into 35 gives you 40 into 35 will give you 1400. So the price the Suhas has received is 1400. So our option is option B here. So here we are in 9th question. The cost of an electric scooter is rupees 1,75,000. Of its value depreciates at the rate of 20% per annum. Then its price after 3 years will be. See, what is depreciation? It is reducing, okay. So the cost of an electric scooter is this much. We have to find the price of this same electric scooter after 3 years. Now for present it is 1,75,000. After all the depreciations, it will how much? After 3 years, how much the scooter will cost. So to find that, first we have to know the formula. What is the formula here? So we'll do the working column here, working note over here. See, the formula is P 1 minus r by 100 and n. See, P is principal, R is rate, and N is number of years. So what is the principal amount here? So the principal amount here is 1,75,000, right? So we'll write here 1,75,000. Therefore 1, right? 1 minus what is the rate? The rate was 20% per annum. So 20 by 100, and how many years after? 3 years. So N is 3 years here. So we'll write here 1,75,000. See, there is nothing here, you will assume here as 1. Now we'll take the LCM, okay? 1 and 100, you'll get 100 itself. 1 into 100 is 100. Minus 20 into 1 gives you 20. That's all. 100 minus 20 divided by 100. So 1,75,000 as it is. And here 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20 is how much? 80. 80 by 100. See, they are telling thrice. Okay. Instead of putting here 3, we'll put thrice. We will do the same thing thrice. So 80 by 100, we'll write it thrice. And 80 by 100. Now, can we do the cancellation here? Yeah, we can do, right? There are 2 zeros here. Let us cancel 2 zeros here. 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here. 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here. 1 0 from here, 1 0 from here. And the 1 0 from here. So what is left? 175 into 8 into 8 into 8. You'll get the answer as 89,600. So the rupees 89,600, after 3 years the value of the scooter will be rupees 89,600 is our answer. Now 10th question, the volume of a cube of side 2a is, the options are given. So here what is the formula to find the volume of cube? The formula is square cube, right? Sides cube, sorry, not square cube, sides cube, right? So this is the 10th question. The volume of a cube side is 2a. So the volume of cube is equals to side cube. The side cube is 2a. 2a cube. Simple. You will multiply 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So our answer here is 8a cube is our final answer. We'll mark option D here. Which of the following indicates segments of equal length? See, which is equal here? Obviously this only. See, this is equal. Here angles are equal. Here it is not equal. This is the right answer. Now, if x and y vary inversely, the unknown value is, see, if x and y vary inversely, then the unknown value is x, y, 90 by 10. You don't know, question mark by 20, right? See, it is telling inversely and not direct proportion, right? So x by y, 90 by 10. So we'll write here. We will multiply like this only, 90 into 10. See here, 90 into 10 is equals to, you don't know what is here, so you'll assume here as x. X into 20. 90 into 10 gives you 900. X into 20 as it is, x into 20. Let us take 900. We'll bring this 20 down. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 45s are 90. So our answer is x is equals to 45 is our answer. So 45 is the right option here. So we'll wind up our class here itself. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.